What's up, guys? Chronicles Early Bird break 3181. We are full. Good luck. A dice roll 8 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 here. 8 here. Bucks up top. Bengals at the bottom. 8 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 here, 8 here. Basso up top. Josh Stant at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Bucks didn't sort. They're at the top. Everybody else did. Good luck, guys. Chronicles Bird. Let's do it. Chronicles Early Bird, let's go. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Let's hit something big. Brock Purdy to start it out for the Niners. Brian Robinson, Damian Pierce, James Cook, Sam Williams, Christian Watson on the silver. Quay Walker and Garrett Wilson. Pack 2. You can take your squads on the site, guys. Take your spots on the site. Lots of breaks close. Robinson, Murray, Taekwon, Jahan, Dotson, Malik Willis to 75 for the Titans and Mark Thomas. There you go, Mark. Malik to 75. Trayvon Walker on the silver. Prism Black for the Jags. Brock Purdy, Prism Black base for the Niners. Niners for Terry Stack. Jamison Williams, Clear Vision. We got Russ Olave, John Mechie, Dotson, Olave, Kenny Pickett to 99, Photogenic Steelers and Woody. There you go, Woody. Pickett to 99, Jalen Tolbert and Trayvon Walker. Devontae, Garrett Wilson, Desmond Ritter, Matt Corral, Aiden Hutchinson, 75 out of 75 on the rookie ink for the Lions, and Tom Haggerty. There you go, Tom. Good box. Josh Allen for the Bills to 75. Going to Basso. There you go, Basso. Malik Willis and an Amon-Ra St. Brown. 2 packs left. Good luck. Mahomes, Dak, Zamir, Kenny Pickett on the rook, K9, Bailey Zappi to 149 for the Patriots. Patriots to Mike Whitaker. Garrett Wilson, Jaquan Brisker. Last pack of Magic. Good luck. Derrick Henry, Thibodeau, Trey McBride, Trevor Lawrence for the Jags to 199. Photogenic jersey. Jags to Brandon Martin. Another Kenny Pickett. This one to 199 on the Clear Vision. Couple Pickett's for the Steelers. Bailey Zappi, Rashad White to finish it off. To recap it, Kenny Pickett to 199, T-Law, Zappi, Allen to 75, Hutch to 75 on the ink, Pickett to 99, Purdy, Walker Malik to 75, and Christian Watson on the silver. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill.